Greetings everyone, my name is Raymond Valetsua. I'm currently pursuing Bachelor of Catering Technology and Culinary Arts in Culinary Academy of India. Today I'll be showing how to work with sugar mediums. So for this medium I'm using basically only sugar. So here we have 1 kg of sugar and 60 grams of glucose liquid, 240 ml of water and 1 lemon juice. So this liquid glucose and lemon will prevent it from crystallization, and using the thermometer I'll be checking the temperature of the sugar. So first we're gonna heat this up. To this I'm gonna add my 60 grams of liquid glucose. And after that I'm gonna add my 240 ml of water. So I'll stir until all the sugars are dissolved. So actually this addition of glucose syrup will prevent the crystallization inside the sugar. So using this thermometer I will constantly check the temperature of the sugar inside this until it reaches the hard quick stage, which is around 300 degree Fahrenheit. I will turn off the heat and then I will pour it onto a silicone mat. Now the sugar is boiling. I will constantly stir it so that the sugar granules inside this will dissolve. Okay, now that the sugar is all dissolved, I'm gonna check the temperature of using this thermometer. The sugar temperature should reach a hard quick stage, which is around 300 Fahrenheit and of around 140 degrees Celsius. So I'll just check the temperature. So make sure that the thermometer is in the middle of the saucepan so that it gets all the temperature it requires. If you leave it on the side, the temperature won't be the same of what's on the temperature in the center and the sides. And after the sugar granules are gone and all dissolved in the water, I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon juice. So this lemon juice will prevent it from crystallizing. So today my prop is based on sugar based medium. It's a sugar based medium. So everything you see here today is made this morning because sugar sweats very fast. It needs to be made on the day on the day you're gonna display. So my team is rain dance. So rain dance is basically during the Atlanteans time, where the theme of the Lost Atlantis. It's basically during that time when monsoon is coming. The seahorses used to dance on the shore of the Atlantic city, and during that time the peacock used to spread its wings. So that indicates that monsoon season or rainy season is coming. And for my desserts today, I have two different tarts in one plate. One is a matcha based tart, which has seasonal fruits. This actually represents the dark side and the light side of a person. So this side is all based on chocolates and caramels, and this side is based on fruit and milk.